Good day everyone, I'm Romeo Rico II from BSIT and I will discuss and explain about my topic is sensation and perception for information. Overview. Sensation and perception are two distinct but closely connected processes. Perception is the process through which the brain selects, organizes, and interprets the information received by our sensory receptors about the physical world. In other words, the physiological basis of perception is the senses, because each person's brain interprets stimuli differently based on the learning, memory, emotions, and expectations. Perception of the same senses might change from person to person. Sensation. The detection of physical energy emitted or reflected by physical objects occur when energy in the external environment or the body stimulate receptors in the sense organs. Perceptions, the process of the which of the brain organizes and interprets sensory information. Brief description. The sensation and perception. In all of physiology, the subjects of feeling and perception are among the oldest and most essential. People have senses like sight, hearing, and taste that allow them to take in the world around them. Our senses have the amazing ability to turn real world information into electrical information that the brain can process. Our perceptions, or how we interpret information, are what led to our experiences of the world. You will learn about the biological mechanisms of sensation and how they can be combined to generate perceptions in this module. Importance of sensation and perception. The importance of sensations function in tandem to enable us to identify the presence of stimuli as well as changes in them, because the knowledge gained by physiologists is used in so many ways to aid so many people. The study of feeling and perception is extremely vital for our everyday lives. Importance to knowing. Every moment in your life, you use at the least one of your five senses. You touch, hear, see, taste, and smell. In order to adapt to a new environment, 3 to 5 senses is important to work together all the time in order to allow your body to function properly and lets your life to be easier. Advantage and disadvantage of perception and information. Our major means of knowing is through our senses. All five our senses are involved: vision, sight, smell, touch, and taste. It is the reason we are the most advanced species on the planet today as the human race. It is the point from where we enter the world. For example, as a youngster, we observe people walking and at the manner in the which they walk without questioning it. We learn how we walk. Similarly, we do not question why someone is sitting in the chair. We simply know that the chair is supposed to be sat in. This is why I call it our primary mode of knowing, followed by reason, emotion, and languages. Advantage. The advantage is we can see and hear and feel different things and smell things, then we can taste different flavors when we eat food. The disadvantage is sensory evaluation makes use of the remarkable virtuosity and range of the human senses as a multi-purpose instrument for measuring and sensory characteristic of foods. Example of sensation and perception of information. Sensation the process by which our sense organs receive information from the environment. Perception, the sorting out, interpretation, analysis, and integration of stimuli involving our sense organs and brain. Sensation versus perception. Sensation, the experience of stimulation of the body senses, five senses, vision, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. Perception, the process by which the brain organizes and interprets sensory information. Conclusion, sensation and perception are dual process. Our sensory organs react to the environment. Our brain interprets sensory information. Perception is dependent upon sensation. Both are essential for us to successfully navigate through our daily experiences. Important to remember, there is no one-to-one correspondence between sensory input and sensory experiences.